and shifting our focus, we are learning that rupee has fallen to a new low. It has crossed the 90 mark against the US dollar. The rupee opened at an all-time low and crossed the 90 mark against the US dollar, and this comes amid the uncertainty around the India-US trade deal. We're learning that the rupee opened at 89.96 against the dollar and slipped to 90.13 soon after. It ended the previous session at 89.87, and there are growing concerns and uncertainty around the India-US trade deal, and hence we are saying, witnessing that rupee has opened at an all-time low. Let me go across to my colleague Hina, who's been tracking all the details. Hina, we're learning that rupee has fallen to a new low, and this comes amidst the uncertainty over the India-US trade deal.
Well, that's right. It's the speculation that's really driving the movement of rupee against the dollar, and it has breached the 90, mark, which is very, very significant. And it's speculation, as you correctly mentioned, that's driving it. And one of them, of course, is about the India-US trade deal. So what we are witnessing right now is that rupee has come to an all-time low level of 90.14 against the US dollar. And this is the third consecutive record low in many days that we have seen. Why is it happening? Of course, we are still, seeing a lot of FPI outflows. Foreign portfolio investors have been pulling money out of the Indian market. So that's something that's really leading to the weakness in the rupee that we are witnessing right now. Analysts are of the view, since it has breached the 90 level, very crucial and psychological mark of 90. So going forward, perhaps there could be more weakness in store. It could stay around 90 for some time before some kind of a trigger, comes to really bring it back to a better level. But we can also expect RBI to intervene as well, because usually whenever we see rupee falling, sharply on a regular basis, we do see RBI's intervention as well to stabilize it at the level that's comfortable for the Reserve Bank of India. But for now, what we are seeing right now, the speculation, around the India-US trade deal, that's playing an important role, and that's really driving the movement of the rupee against the dollar.
Absolutely. And now we have reaction coming in from the Congress party. They have hit at the central government. Here is, in fact, the social media post of Srinivas BV of the Congress party. He has posted this, in fact, the graph of the rupee hitting a new low with the photo of the Prime Minister, and he has written to the people who follow him, suggest a caption. So this is how the Congress has taken on the central government as far as rupee falling to a new low is concerned. Let me once again go back to my colleague Hina. Hina, we can see that the Congress has taken up this issue. They have hit at the central government. And in fact, Srinivas BV has posted a photo on social media attaching the photo of the Prime Minister to the graph in which we can see the rupee falling to a new low.
Well, absolutely. This is more ammunition for the opposition to target the government, and especially at a time when the winter session of Parliament is underway. So don't be surprised if some members of Parliament, in fact, pick up this issue in the ongoing Parliament session as well, because it is definitely a cause of concern. The kind of fall that we are witnessing in the rupee market, weakening of the rupee against the dollar, is definitely not a good news. And with rupee now breaching the 90, psychologically crucial 90 mark against the dollar, is a cause of concern for sure. Of course, we'll have to see whether RBI intervenes to, bring some stability into the rupee market. And remember, in a couple of days from now, we're also going to see the RBI's monetary policy decision. So all eyes are now going to be on the Reserve Bank of India, and if at all the government has to say about the all-time low level of rupee that we are seeing against the dollar.
Absolutely, Hina. Keep tracking those details. We'll keep coming back to you for more on that. And now moving on and shifting